Home gardeners love spending time taking care of their yards, growing beautiful flowers and vegetables they can be proud of. Melnor's new RelaxGrip nozzles and wands have a special handle that provides a natural grip without causing strain, so you can garden longer. RelaxGrip products are specially designed to be comfortable for anyone, regardless of age or physical strength. We spoke with gardeners of all ages to find out what is important to them when using watering tools. Our engineers and designers applied what they learned, combined with principles established by the Arthritis Foundation, and created an entirely new line of watering products. Focused on comfort and ease of use, RelaxGrip is different from anything else. It's a difference you can feel. They are so well designed, 8 have received special commendation from the Arthritis Foundation for ease of use. RelaxGrip from Melnor makes yard work easier, so you can keep your flowers blooming and outdoor spaces clean for seasons to come.